Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can delete a business page on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Facebook app right over here. Then from over here, simply go ahead and tap on this little menu icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply scroll and tap on this option of pages. You will find all of the pages that you have, and you simply have to go to the page that you want to delete, and you're gonna switch. Once you have switched to your page, what you're gonna do, you're simply gonna go ahead and go to this section of menu at the bottom again. Then you're gonna go ahead, go to the settings and privacy, again settings. Then scroll and scroll till you find the section of your information where you will find this option of access and control. Tap on access and control. You will find this option of deactivate page, unpublic page, and delete page. Choose what you would like to do. I would like to delete the page, so tap on delete. Tap on continue, and then choose a reason. I'm gonna say I spend too much time on Facebook. Tap on continue. I'm going to tap on continue over here because I would not like any of the information. Now all I have to do is enter my password. Tap on done, tap on continue again, and there you go. Tap on delete page again, and now I switch back to my normal account, and there we go. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.